Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Install TensorFlow and image libraries, and place images into train and validation folders by class. Next, write a quick Python loader using TF. Data to read files, decode JPEG, resize to 224 x 224, and normalize pixels to 0-1. Use batching and prefetch so the pipeline stays full. Once done, validate a small batch visually or with. Take 1 to confirm labels and shapes. Match your model's expected input. Now assemble the model. Load a pre-trained backbone without top layers and freeze its weights initially to conserve features. Then attach global average pooling, a dropout layer for regularization, and a final dense softmax for your class count. Compile the model with Atom at 1E4 and sparse categorical cross-entropy so labels can be integer encoded. Train for a few epochs to warm up, monitor loss and accuracy, and then unfreeze select layers to fine-tune with a lower learning rate for better final performance. You finish by running fit with callbacks, model checkpoint to save best weights and reduce LR on plateau to lower the learning rate when validation stalls. After training, evaluate on the validation set and load the best checkpoint before inference. If results are poor, inspect common issues: mislabeling, class imbalance, or overfitting. A key troubleshooting tip: if training loss drops but validation loss rises, add augmentation, increase dropout, or revert to more frozen backbone layers. This often stabilizes generalization quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.